Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Year 2013 to year 2019, if you have one of those, if you need to find where the cigarette lighter fuses are located, you have up to 2 fuses. Some models will have 1, some 2. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We'll show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So the cigarette lighter fuses, where you can expect to find them, we'll demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla here. Now you guys have multiple fuses, relays around that car, but mainly you have 2 fuse boxes. Today we'll work in one, and it's on the driver's side. Open the door. If you come here towards the left, look under the dash upside down, above the pedals in the left corner, you will see one white cover that looks like this one. Open it by pulling that tab, and you will see the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we'll need to check 2 fuses. Some models may have 1. Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Toyota Corolla or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste money and time. And if you come here, guys, the first fuse that you need to check is fuse number 1. Some of you will not have this one, but if you have it, it's right here. The second fuse that you need to check is fuse number 17, that 15 amp fuse. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.